Fire in the Blackstone hole! Let's cook some pigs! No, I'm not talking about you, Craig. And not you either, Rob. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my Blackstone griddle. What I'm doing today is I'm cooking some pigs in a poncho. Now, there's a whole story behind this, I gotta tell you. In my saucepan over here, I've got some chili. This is hot dog chili, fresh out the can, as a friend of mine used to say, that we're getting it warmed up on the griddle in my saucepan. It's getting hot. We'll let that get hot. I don't want to leave the spoon in there because I'll burn my hand trying to get it out. Then we've got some cheddar brats, just like the ones I used in my sausage snag video. You might have saw that. That was a good video. These are Johnsonville cheddar brats. No big deal, nothing special about these. Not really hard to cook either. Just gotta kind of warm them up, keep them rolling so that they don't burn. Nothing to it. But I gotta tell you, where I got the idea for this mess is, I was on Reddit the other day, and I saw a lady on Reddit. I gotta tell you her name. I wrote it down so I wouldn't forget. Her name is Becky57913, and she posted this on our hot dogs, and somebody put it on our stupid food, but it's not stupid at all. It's really very good recipe, and I gotta run with this. And the guy who came up with the name is called Scorch ICPFG, or Scorch is PFG. Scorch is PFG. That's his username on Reddit. If you're not familiar with Reddit, I'll put a link down in the description to our hot dogs and the video in question. Not the video, but the post in question from our hot dogs about the lady who made lunch for her husband. I guess she did, and somebody said it was stupid, and it's not stupid at all. It's a very nice recipe. I like it a lot. In fact, I'm duplicating it just because of that. I got to stir my hot dog chili over here. It's starting to bubble, starting to get warm. In fact, I could probably move that over to the other side of the griddle. Don't want it to boil. Yeah, this is pretty cool. A pretty cool recipe, which I will show you. We'll get going here pretty soon. We just got to cook up our snags, our dogs, whatever you want to call these. These are cheddar brats from Johnsonville. They're starting to burn up, starting to get a little color on them. As soon as those are cooked, I'll probably shut down the griddle and put this pigs in a poncho together. Thanks to Scorch. Scorch is PFG. Scorch is PFG. That's the guy who came up with the name. And it was a post on Becky57913. I'll put all this in the description. My snags keep running away over here. We got to get these cooked up. I'll probably shut the griddle off to assemble this because I got to put this on a tortilla. So yeah, let me get this all cooked up. We'll get our tortillas out here and we'll put this together. So stay tuned. Okay, my snags are done. My griddle's still warm, but I got it shut off because I don't want to burn my hands. What I'm going to do now is take a snag, drop it inside of a tortilla. This is the pigs in a poncho part of this. Got your snag in the tortilla. Get some of this hot dog chili over here that's been warming up. Slather it with that. Hot dog chili. If you've ever eaten a chili dog, you know how sloppy they can be. Well, this is the remedy for that. Now we got some cheddar cheese that we're going to throw on there. Some nice cheddar cheese. Oh yeah, now you're talking, right? I also have something that Becky left off of hers. I got some onions. Can't live without diced onions on my chili dog, which is basically what this is. So now I'm going to roll this thing up into something like a burrito. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. I'll probably have to come back to this. I gotta roll that up, but I gotta wait for the griddle to cool down a little bit more. But anyway, what I'm gonna do is roll up 6 of these, and then I'm gonna toast them on the griddle, which is another thing she didn't do. And when I get that done, I'll show you what that looks like, so stay tuned. All right, that first one was kind of sloppy because the griddle was so hot it was burning my fingers, but let's go again with another snag in its wrapper, as you will, and some of that chili. So this is hot dog chili out of a can. Next time if I do this again, I will not use canned chili. I'll make my own chili. Then we've got some cheese, generously cheddar cheese. This thing up. Uh-oh. Gets on the griddle, it's gonna melt on the griddle. Anyway, and some onions. I like onions. Oh, you know what I forgot? Completely forgot to put in the first one. She used Frank's hot sauce. I'm using Slap Your Mama hot sauce because I didn't have any Frank's. I opened the cupboard up. There was no Frank's, so we got some Slap Your Mama hot sauce in there. That's proper burrito style thingy. Let's fold that up. It's still hot. I'm still having a problem. It's still a little warm. That's okay. We're going to roll this up. The first one was kind of sloppy because I couldn't handle it right. But there we go. That's a little bit better. Not much. Okay. You get the idea. I got to make 6 of these. Then we're going to toast them up on the griddle, as you will. And then I'll drink a beer. We'll take a taste. So stay tuned. Okay, my pigs in a poncho are done. There's the Frosty Root Boy mug, star of the show. Here's today's beer, Modelo. And I just happen to have a Modelo t-shirt on today. So from now on, we have to coordinate t-shirts to the beer. Anyway, let me pour out some beer. This is Modelo, a Mexican beer, imported from Mexico. Are we gonna do it, Rob? Are we gonna do another good pour or not? I don't know, it's got a lot of head on it. No, it's not bad. Not bad, Rob. I think we got it knocked. I think we finally figured out how to pour beer. Let's take a sniff and quaff the froth off of that. Very good. Modelo Especial. Let me get some hot sauce ready. And one of my pigs in a poncho over here, get one in my mouth. Stay tuned. Okay. Hey, as advertised, I got my Modelo t-shirt on. I want to thank again the 2 Reddit users. The guy who came up with the name Scorch is PFG, and the lady who came up with the recipe, Becky 57913. This is the first one that I rolled up. It didn't get it. It's not beautiful, but it's workable. But I forgot to put hot sauce on it, so I got my hot sauce here. My Slap Your Mama hot sauce. I'm going to drop a little bit on there right now, just to make sure. My mouth's watering. This is a chili dog in a tortilla. See? It's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. I can't wait to get this in my mouth. Stay tuned. Mmm. Not great. Mmm. I had a napkin here. I don't know what I did with it. Anyway, I gotta get my napkin. I'm a mess. Hang on. Yeah. It's a slightly cleaner way to cook or to eat a chili dog. It's still wet everywhere. It's all over my face. It's still, the chili came out of the thing. It's still delicious, let me tell you what. Mmm. Yeah. Let me get some beer. That's excellent, I gotta tell you. Eat about a dozen of those, wash them down with a nice cold Modelo. See my Modelo shirt? Yeah. Anyway, babies, I hope you like this video. You know what I always say, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go open the iCard. Look at that. Look at me pointing to the iCard. Go open the iCard, visit my friend. What a mess. My friend GB, the Green Bastard. He's a cool dude. You'll check him out. Sometimes he cooks stuff. Lately he's been just doing these nature walks, but they're really cool. They're really good. He lives up in Canada at a beautiful place up there. So go check out GB, subscribe to me, come back next week. I can't say, I don't know what we're gonna do next week, but it'll be cool, whatever. I'm gonna finish eating my pigs in a poncho, thanks to Scorch is PFG, whatever that means. And yeah, let me go eat this stuff and drink my beer. We'll see you next week, babies. Bye.